Hi, it's Kozue. Do you know this chocolate snack from Japan? I'm gonna be doing my nails with transparent technique. I'm gonna be using regular nail polish. Let's get started. I need to plan something for my nails. What I'm drawing is a Japanese business card size, 55mm by 91mm. It doesn't have to be a business card size, but I feel comfortable with that size because in this video I use this size to make an anime nail. But actually any size that is smaller than your smartphone screen size will do. Use an app called CanDo. I'm sorry, it's all in Japanese. Tap the search window and find the customized size. Change the pixel to millimeters. The width 182mm and the height being 55mm. Tap Done. Tap the camera roll. Choose a favorite design. This is a screenshot. I'm holding an actual business card. Pinch it out until you get the actual size. So this is the actual business card size. Now compare the size with your nail and decide on the size of the design. Copy that and make some a little smaller than the others and make some a little bit bigger than the others so that you can choose the right size later. I made so many. Save it on your smartphone. I'm going to color print it at 7-Eleven in Japan, so I downloaded CanDo Net Print app. Tap this plus mark. Choose photos. Select one and tap here. Tap next. Choose a paper size. One on the bottom is a postcard. My viewer recommended the postcard option. Tap here. Uploading. Complete. Processing, processing, processing. And you'll get an order number and a QR code. Now I'm at the 7-Eleven. Tap print. If you have a QR code, look at this spot. Let the machine read the QR code. Preset postcard. Next. Insert money and start print. This is what I got. The prints are so clean. Now I can work on my nails. I'm cleaning my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna be using OPI White Nail Envy for transfer nails. Otherwise, I'll use this Nail Envy. It doesn't have to be Nail Envy at all. You can use just a base coat and use a white polish. My nails are so not smooth. I applied other nails too and let it dry for 7 minutes. Second coat. 2 coats of Nail Envy don't cover my uneven nails, so I'm gonna paint it one more time. I'm gonna be using this pink polish. This is a PA line. Color is SO48. It's such a cute color with pearly particles in it. I'm just painted normally to the whole nail. I'll wait for 7 minutes. I painted all 5 nails again. I'm gonna dry the white ones overnight. I'm gonna do art on the pink ones. Born Pretty's plate, stamping polish, but this color is too dark, so I'm gonna be using this Born Pretty stamping mixing oil to make the color lighter, a stamper and a scraper, and a silicone pen to mix the 2 polishes. While I mix the polishes, I spread the polish to cover the design. Make sure you are not making any missed spots. Try to cover the whole design. By the way, the scraper isn't a credit card. A nice pickup. This brown is a chocolate brown here. This chocolate has been popular for over 50 years. I'm cleaning the plate. I stamped on the ring finger. Now I'm gonna be stamping on the index finger. Oh no, I hit the soft polish. But I can fix it. Tap it with a stamper, gently. You can fix it easily. Bon Pretty's nail lacquer. This is non-smudge top coat. The shape of Apollo chocolate is inspired by the nose cone of the Apollo spacecraft's command module. So I put a star on it. I found something. There's a lint on my index finger. I can't touch it because it's not completely dry. I'm gonna get rid of it after it dries completely. I'm gonna paint the pinky and the ring finger with a top coat. I'm gonna do anything on the middle finger or the index finger. This is one of my favorite top coats, Paradu Gel Top Coat. It's available at 7-Elevens in Japan. I'll let it dry for 30 minutes and go to bed. Next morning, it's ready for the Apollo project. This is packing film. You can use food cling wrap. Acetone-free nail polish remover. Put a piece of plastic file on it. Scratch it a lot. Make sure you scratch it on a hard surface. I have a silicone mat on my table, but it's a bad idea to scratch it on a silicone mat. I put a plastic cutting board underneath. I found it a bad idea to peel the film. So first take the plastic off and then the paper. The postcard worked so well, wow! The film is too wet with the nail polish remover. I sprayed tap water on it and I dried it gently. Look at this, it's perfect! I'll put it in the safe place. Anti-slip liquid. This is not for nail art, I know. You can also use eyelash glue. It dries pretty quickly, but I'll let it dry for 7 minutes to be safe. Here we go, let's press the film on it. This is going to be a little bit long footage. I didn't edit it, except for the speed. This is a double speed. I also used a silicone pen. You can see how hard I'm pressing it, because the silicone actually bends a little bit. I used a pair of tweezers as well. I made sure I scratched the edges well. I'm being really careful not to break the film with the pointy edges. Yes, I'm still scratching. Honestly, I don't think I have to scratch this much. But you know, I don't want to fail. I want to transfer everything onto the nail. Okay, that's enough, I think. This is a good sign. Whoa, look at the strawberries on the cuticle area. This is funny. I'm gonna paint Bon Pretty's nail lacquer. If you don't have it, you could use the anti-slip liquid or the eyelash glue. Now let's do the middle finger. Now I know I should use a big piece of film. No acetone remover. I'm gonna use a smaller piece of plastic file this time. And I just kept scratching. Remove the plastic and the paper. Perfect. Now I'm gonna clean it with water. Okay, another transfer film is done. Anti-slip liquid. I clean the brush with ethanol. As it dries, you can see paper fiber on it, but it's no problem. I've been doing a lot of scratching. This is the most satisfying moment. I'm gonna paint nail lacquer. Oh yeah, do you remember the lint on the index finger? Now the polish is completely dry. I can get rid of it with a blade. Okay, the lint is gone. I'm nearly the end. I'm applying the top coat, and when it dries completely, I'll apply sèche vide. All done. It's so cute. I love it. I've wanted to make a set with a snack packet design, so I'm so happy. This is my right hand. I was lazy, so I just stamped on the thumbnail. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!